everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with Finally Crafting It. It is an open collab that is hosted by myself and Tree from Craft On. And Brenda's been joining along with us every video or every week. So thank you, Brenda, for joining along. And yeah, Finally Crafting is basically it's an open collab that we are doing, and it is putting out a video every third Wednesday of the month, and it's just basically finally starting to get crafting. If you haven't crafted, or if you haven't used a some crafty item that you haven't used in a while and you just want to start using it again, or haven't used at all and you want to use it, or doing anything that is crafting. It could be anything, drawing if you want. Anyways, so I'm sorry, you guys. Anyway, so I have had this for a while. I just got this. I did get this on Amazon, and it's so nice to have something like this. And then I've had this. So what am I finally crafting? I am finally making a type of a chunky charm, I guess you want to say. I haven't done this in a while because I've always started and given up, and I just, yeah. So here are some other items I have. I have a whole bunch of bubblegum beads and everything. Be careful when you have these around your kids, because suddenly someone might come and start shooting on them. Anyway, so this is, I've been beading, and this is what I've come up with so far. So there you go. How cute is that? Anyway, so this is time consuming. If you guys see, it's Care Bear. Yes, it's a Care Bear charm. I still have to add a little bit more, but so far this is what I've come up with, and I am actually happy with it. I've done charms, or attempted to do chunky charms, and it's never come out nice, I want to say, but I am so liking this. So anyways, so just bring out your items, start crafting. I did have to do this at night, in my room, because of course my craft room is a little hot. Anyway, so yeah, if you guys want to join along and join us, of course you guys are welcome at any time. And of course, usually we try to post on Wednesday, third Wednesday of the month. And yeah, anyways, thank you guys for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.